Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Hyundai i30 SX hatch, stock reference number 5278. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 4th month 2012. It has a G4GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left hand taillight, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand taillight, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, non-Bluetooth type, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.